Ready to elevate your English skills? Let's dive in. Do and make. O que em português seria fazer e fazer. Mas qual a diferença? Fica comigo para descobrir. Do refers to performing an action or task. It's used for activities, tasks or actions that are not specific. Refere-se à execução de ações ou tarefas. Make refers to creating or producing something tangible. It's used for creating or forming something. Refere-se à produção de algo palpável, algo tangível. We do the homework, we do the housework, we do a great job, we do business, we do exercises, we do the exam, we do the dishes, we do something, we do anything, we do nothing, we do everything. We make someone happy, we make a cake, we make money, friends, we make changes, we make an excuse, we make a mistake, we make noise, a decision, a discovery, a joke, we make an improvement. If you liked the video, please comment below, share with your friends, like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you soon.